welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tamara. If you're new, welcome to the family, guys, and if you're not yet subscribed, guys, please go ahead and do so. So guys, today I am taking you guys along with me to do my maintenance upkeep or something like that. So I'm gonna do my hair, my nails, and my toes. So I'm taking y'all along with me so y'all see what's up. Yeah, and so I guess this is my intro. It's pretty early now. I'm not a morning person. It's pretty early and it's pretty rainy today. Also guys, I am going to Kingston tomorrow and I will be doing that AC vlog that I promised you guys I will do one day. So I'm going to go to Kingston. I'm going to stay at AC Hotel, so I'll be doing a review on them also, so look out for that video too, guys. Don't mind me, I washed my hair. I took out my braids and washed my hair and treat it and everything. Guys, go check that video out. Oh, I prepare my hair for my sew-in. So guys, go check that video out. I'll put a link down below. And I will see you guys when I get to, I think I'm gonna do my nails first. Yeah, I'm trying to make this everything fit in one day, but everything take forever here. So I'm trying to make sure everything fits in this day, because tomorrow I'm going to Kingston. Okay, so here's my nails. They're awful, I know. And guys, I do not wear fake nails. These are my nails. I just acrylic my own nails. I only wear fake nails once in my life, and I think that was like 10 years ago or 8 years ago. So listen, I'm gonna go get dolled up now and I'll see you guys at the time out and appreciate my nails, guys. Oh my god, I love my nails. She did a wonderful job. This is out my comfort zone. Actually, I normally go for plain colors and that's it, no design. And oh my god, take off this mask. Let me take off this mask. I don't think y'all can hear me, but listen to me. I'm telling y'all, oh my god, I love my nails. Like, ooh, yes girl, you got it good. And then there's my toes. Listen, I'm so late for my appointment, for my hair appointment right now, but like, I just have to do this. Oh my god, yes, this is what we're talking about. Okay, let me turn this car on. It's like I forgot I'm late. Yes, Miguel, got at again. Yes, and it's raining like crazy. Okay guys, so I finally get my hair done. So I'm at my car now. So it's like my nails, my hair. Let's see. Oh my god guys, she did a really good job. Like, I really love my hair. It's flat and nice. It's so like, she flat iron it and it's so smooth. Like, I really like it. Like, seriously, it's cute. So I'm gonna head home now because, well, this is everything I had to do. I'm gonna head home now. My battery is dying and I need to like get home before like it's completely dead. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this in the back. I need to get this car clean. Alright. It's such a rainy day, like, yo, like, it has been so hectic, guys. I didn't let you guys didn't see all that, but it was so hectic. And it's like a rainy day, so it's even worse. I couldn't find anywhere to park, not to mention that. And it was hey guys, so apparently my phone ran out of storage yesterday, so I couldn't get to end that video, end the video. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog when I get my nails done, getting my hair done. This is the next day, guys, and I'm wearing makeup and everything. So the hair is come out like really good, guys. I'm telling y'all, this is so nice. I'm on my way to Kingston now, guys, and I'm gonna do a vlog at AC Hotel, which I promised y'all. So guys, look out for that. Yes. So guys, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will see you guys in another video or vlog. And guys, please subscribe. Okay, I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I'm almost there. I just need y'all support, your continuous support. Okay. All right, so I'll see you guys in another vlog or video. So guys, definitely go ahead and check out my videos and all of that. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Also guys, if y'all like videos like this, guys, let me know so I could do more videos with vlogs in my day. So you guys just let me know if you like these kind of vlogs so I could do some more day in my life vlogs. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.